Hello tech lovers, today's video is on 5 best drone on Amazon under $1,000. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this video. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. The very next DJI Mavic Air 2 we have the drone quadcopter that will up your game and take your aerial content to the next level. With a 48MP camera and 4K video, the Mavic Air 2 captures stunning footage with incredible detail and clarity. The 8K hyperlapse and 1/2 CMOS sensor further improve the quality of your shots, ensuring that your content looks professional and polished. The Mavic Air 2 also features a 3-axis gimbal and 34-minute flight time, allowing for improved flight and stability during your aerial photography and videography sessions. Its Active Track 3.0 feature intelligently tracks moving subjects, ensuring that they remain in focus and centered in the frame. With OcuSync 2.0, you can expect stable and reliable transmission of live video from up to 10 kilometers away. In addition to its advanced features, the Mavic Air 2 is compatible with the DJI Fly app, which lets you edit your footage and photos right from your smartphone. The app also includes tutorials to help you master your drone's capabilities and take your content to the next level. Overall, the DJI Mavic Air 2 is the perfect drone quadcopter for anyone looking to create next-level content. Its improved flight, intelligent tracking, and app compatibility make it a must-have for aerial photography and videography enthusiasts. With the Mavic Air 2, you'll be able to capture stunning footage with ease and take your content to the next level. We can finish it up with DJI Mini 3 Pro, the ultimate camera drone for those who want to take their aerial photography and videography to the next level. With its lightweight and foldable design, the Mini 3 Pro is easy to carry around and perfect for capturing stunning footage on the go. Featuring a 4K 60-feet camera and a 48MP photo sensor, the DJI Mini 3 Pro delivers seriously pro shots with stunning clarity and detail. The drone's tri-directional obstacle sensing technology ensures that you can fly with confidence, knowing that the drone will avoid obstacles and stay safe. The Mini 3 Pro is also perfect for creating perfect portraits in a tap. The drone's portrait mode lets you capture stunning aerial shots with depth and dimension, making your subjects stand out in every shot. With the DJI Fly app, you can easily edit your photos and videos and share them with friends and family on social media. With up to 34 minutes of flight time, the DJI Mini 3 Pro lets you create and share on the go without worrying about running out of battery. The drone's intelligent features, such as quick shots and drone, make it easy to capture cinematic footage with just a few taps on your smartphone. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is the perfect camera drone for anyone who wants to take their aerial photography and videography to the next level. With its carefree creation, seriously pro shots, and perfect portraits in a tap, the Mini 3 Pro is the ultimate camera drone for aerial photography and social media. Furthermore, we have DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo in our list, the ultimate camera drone for those who want to capture stunning aerial imagery on the go. This lightweight and compact drone is easy to carry around, making it perfect for travel and outdoor activities. With its extended battery life of up to 38 minutes, the DJI Mini 3 lets you capture breathtaking footage without worrying about running out of battery. The drone features a 4K HDR camera that captures stunning imagery with vivid detail and color. The true vertical shooting capability allows you to capture photos and videos in portrait orientation, giving you more options for creativity. The DJI Mini 3 also comes with intelligent features that make capturing great footage easier than ever. The drone's Quick Shots feature lets you easily capture cinematic footage with just a few taps on your smartphone. The drone's auto exposure bracketing feature ensures that you always get the perfect shot, no matter the lighting conditions. With the DJI Mini 3, you can be social and share your aerial footage with ease. The drone's social media-friendly aspect ratio lets you easily post your footage on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. You can even live stream your footage to your friends and family in real time. Flying the DJI Mini 3 is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive controls and easy-to-use app. The drone's compact size and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, and the DJI Fly app provides a user-friendly interface for controlling the drone. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo is the perfect camera drone for anyone who wants to capture stunning aerial footage with ease. With its extended battery life, true vertical shooting, and intelligent features, the DJI Mini 3 makes it easy to focus on the moment and capture great footage. Whether you're an amateur photographer or a professional videographer, the DJI Mini 3 is the ultimate camera drone for you. We can start things off with Autel Robotics CVO Nano drone, the latest addition to Autel's lineup of high-performance drones. This pocket-sized drone is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 249 grams, making it one of the lightest drones in its class. With its foldable design, the EVO Nano Plus is easy to transport and perfect for on-the-go photography. Equipped with a 90 adjustable 4K HDR camera, the EVO Nano Plus captures stunning aerial footage in high resolution, providing you with crystal clear images and videos. The camera features the first ever RYYB design, which provides better low-light sensitivity and more accurate colors, giving you the best possible image quality even in low-light conditions. The EVO Nano Plus also features a 3-axis gimbal that stabilizes the camera, ensuring smooth and steady footage. The drone's 3-way obstacle avoidance system helps you avoid collisions with objects, making flying safer and more convenient. With its HDR mode and dual autofocus system, the EVO Nano Plus captures detailed and vivid footage, even in challenging lighting conditions. The drone's PDAF plus CDAF focus system ensures that your subject is always in focus, giving you the best possible footage. The EVO Nano Plus Premium Bundle includes an extra 64GB SD card and a Nano Plus Fly More combo, providing you with everything you need to get started with aerial photography. The bundle also includes a gray color option, adding a touch of style to your flying experience. In addition, the EVO Nano Plus features no geofencing, allowing you to fly wherever and whenever you want, without any restrictions. The drone's compact size and high performance make it a great investment for amateur photographers and professionals alike. Overall, the Autel Robotics CVO Nano Plus Premium Bundle is the perfect drone for anyone who wants to capture stunning aerial footage on the go. With its advanced features and high-quality camera, the EVO Nano Plus provides you with an unparalleled flying experience that you won't find with other drones in its class. Up next, we have Drone X Pro Limitless 4GPS 4K UHD camera drone in our list. A high-performance drone designed for adults who are passionate about aerial photography and videography. With its advanced features such as EVO obstacle avoidance, 3-axis gimbal, auto return home, follow me, long flight time, long control range, 5G Wi-Fi FPV live video, eyes, and superior stabilization, this drone takes aerial photography to the next level. Equipped with EVO obstacle avoidance technology, this drone can easily detect obstacles in its flight path and avoid them, ensuring safe and hassle-free flying experience. With its upgraded 3-mile-long flight range and GPS technology, this drone can explore wide open spaces and return home safely with its auto return home feature. Featuring a 30-minute long flight time per battery, the Drone X Pro Limitless 4 is perfect for capturing breathtaking aerial shots and videos. With its 3-axis gimbal, you can capture stable and smooth footage even in windy conditions. The 4 Kelvin UHD resolution and eyes and anti-shake features provide crystal clear and jitter-free footage, making your aerial photography experience truly enjoyable. With its Follow Me mode, the Drone X Pro Limitless 4 will automatically follow you wherever you go, capturing stunning footage of your every move. The 5G Wi-Fi FPV live video feature allows you to view the drone's footage in real time, giving you a first-person view of the action. The Drone X Pro Limitless 4 also comes with a travel case, making it easy to transport and protect during travel. Whether you are an amateur photographer or a professional videographer, this drone is a great investment that can take your aerial photography to the next level. Get ready to experience the ultimate drone flying and photography experience with the Drone X Pro Limitless 4 GPS 4K UHD camera drone.
If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.